What if time could stop? Not in some sci-fi movie, but in real life. Across history, people have reported moments where everything just froze. Birds mid-air, cars locked in motion, people completely awake, yet time absolutely still. This isn't fiction. It's one of the strangest, most haunting phenomena ever recorded. They call it lost time. And what you're about to hear might change the way you think about time forever. The idea of time freezing isn't new. Ancient Greek texts describe a god named Chronos, not just the keeper of time, but the one who could bend it. In Hindu mythology, sages would meditate for what felt like a moment, but when they opened their eyes, centuries had passed. Are these just stories? Or are they fragments of something real that we've chosen to forget? 1976, two British pilots flying over the Sahara Desert radioed a chilling message. "We're stuck, nothing's moving." Their instruments froze, the engines went silent, but they were conscious, fully awake, suspended in a moment that refused to move. When time resumed, they were hundreds of miles off course, and 3 hours were gone. Tokyo, 1984. A man steps into an elevator and reportedly exits 20 years later, unchanged. No aging, no memory of time, no explanation, just missing time. Some scientists don't rule this out. Einstein's theory of relativity proves it. Time can slow, stretch, and even freeze under extreme gravity or near the speed of light. Some now believe these lost time moments are glitches, like a cosmic record skipping a beat. What if your life has already skipped a moment? What if you've already lived through a reset? These aren't just campfire tales. They're documented, witnessed, still unexplained. Maybe time isn't a straight line. Maybe it loops, maybe it traps, or maybe it listens. So the question remains, who controls time? This is only the beginning. Welcome to Chrono Enigma.